App Freight System Pricing, explained what you get for your money. App Freight isn't just a shipping company. You won't believe how versatile their freight solutions are. Most people get this wrong by assuming all toll shipping services are similar, but the surprising truth is App offers tailored options for businesses of every size, from small parcels to full truckloads. Pricing is based on weight, distance, and service level. For example, standard toll shipments can cost as low as for local deliveries, while heavier, longer distance shipments may range from $20 or more. Most people underestimate the value of App's flexible scheduling, guaranteed delivery options, and online tracking, which reduce logistics headaches. App also provides customized solutions for freight management, including packaging guidance and consultation for route optimization. You won't believe how much time and cost can be saved with these tools, especially for businesses shipping frequently or across multiple states. Their technology platforms allow real-time tracking and easy rate quotes, streamlining operations. In conclusion, App Freight pricing is highly variable but offers strong value due to flexibility, service reliability, and logistical support. For businesses needing consistent, customizable freight solutions, App delivers efficiency and peace of mind, making it a worthwhile investment for shipping operations.